Hello friends, welcome to Passive Money. Today we are going to see weekly report. What are all the things we have done in this current week, and what is the next plan of coming weeks also. Okay. Before that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. You will get a notification when I upload the new videos. Okay. See, in current week, on as I told in the first video, I explained about these are all the things: HDFC, Hindustan Unilever, Sun Pharma, RO Pharma. These are all the stocks I explained in the first video. If you didn't watch my first video, please go to my channel and watch my first video. I explained the entry points and what is my target and what are all the things we have going to do in this particular stocks. Okay, so HDFC is my first stock. I explained in the first video. 2480 is my entry point and my target is actually 2550. I already told you, like, suppose if in same day only we have seen 2530 points we can see, and I told you, like, suppose if you want to book a profit we can book because we got a 50 points, that's why. Otherwise you can wait. So that's why in 2 days on December 31st we have seen our target 2500. So earning points is 70 points, also total points is actually total points is 70 and earning points is 70. Okay, so this is my first target we have done. Suppose if you invest only 24,800, it means so only we have buy only 10 quantities of this stock, and we profit is around 700 rupees. And suppose if you've seen the percentage, 2.82% we have seen. This is our first project actually. And next is Hindustan Unilever. Our entry point is 2360, but still our 2380, but we already seen, what we have seen 60 points we have seen, so it came 2417 rupees high. It was made actually. So this is actually we have seen, but what happened, 60 point again it went down, but we can wait because we are doing short term trading, right? So we can wait until unless our target is actually 2550 rupees. Come to this Sun Pharma, 580, 620 is our target. RO Pharma, 890, 1000 rupees is our target. These are all the points we have seen already. In Sun Pharma, 15 points we have seen the gain, and RO Pharma 53 is point we have gain in this particular days. So if I buy on 29th December, today is second, today's our market is holiday anyway, leave it. Yesterday was a market, right? So yesterday is Jan 1st, so 29, 30, 31 and 1 in within the 4 days, this much of points we have seen. Suppose if you want to comfortable, if you want to book the profits, you guys can book the profits. Okay, so my target actually I will wait and this targets, okay, 1000 rupees for RO Pharma. So and I explained in the second video Eicher Motors and Cola India. So entry point is 2460, my target is 2600, and we have seen 80 points also because it made it a high of 2543 rupees around. It is make it that much of I think 47, I think. Okay, and Cola India is still we have seen little bit down also. So actually around 132 as I said in the second video, but I entry is my 133, so our target is 150. It will come, surely it will come, because we are as I told, right, we are doing the short term trading also. There is a no loss in this whatever we are doing. Okay, we'll wait for the target, we will definitely we will earn. So whatever I am going to select the stocks, these are all the stocks will give the profit within the short period of time. Okay, it won't wait that much of time. So okay, that's why I'm not mentioning anywhere in the stop loss kind of things. Okay, so suppose it won't give that much of so suppose we have to follow the stop loss protocols kind of things. Okay, but so this is my one kind of confidence. We can see the some profit. See, we have seen the HDFC. Okay, we'll see. And then in third video I explained the Bal Krishna, and see, if you buy on same day only, we have seen the 4% in a day. So suppose if you want to book, we have seen the 4% of profit in a day. Okay, that is actually we have seen. And Muthoot Finance, see, actually I explained in the last yesterday video, the Muthoot Finance entry is 1190. Our target is 1280, so we can see the total points of 90, but 1190 still not yet came actually. Okay, this points is not yet came, so that's why we can, so this one still not yet, this Muthoot Finance is not still executed. So suppose we have to wait for this point. Suppose, because right now we have 1231 we have. Okay, so we should not buy this point, so we will get very small profit we can see here. Okay, that's why my point is actually Muthoot Finance we have to wait for. I will write it is not executed. Okay, and so we will wait for till 1190. Okay, these are all the things this week. Okay, in for next week we can see some more profit booking also. I think in next week's Eicher Motors will come, and Bal Krishna is also, it will come. Suppose guys, I already explained in the last videos. So what I am explaining, I am here, it is 190, 110, 940 rupees, 140. So suppose if you don't want to wait much days time off, so suppose if you want to book a profit 20, 30, 50 points also is enough. Here it is, I am explaining the 40 points. Okay, Sun Pharma is 40 points. Suppose if you don't want to wait the much time, you can see the already seen the 15 points. Okay, suppose, so if you want to book in a profit of 20 points, you can book it in 20 points. So because the 50% of profit you are seeing in this year. Okay, like this we can see the much profits. Okay, so these are all the explanation only for educational purpose, and don't do intraday kind of things. These are all the not for intraday, I am repeating, not for intraday, because these stocks are won't give the profit in a day. We have to wait for a week or 2 days, 3 days, or within a week. I'll try to do I'll give the all the stocks with what are all the stocks I am giving. Within a week I will try to give profits kind. Sometimes it will take the much time, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay, like this is going to happen, but I I have a confidence I won't lose all the valid money we have earned in the capital amount what I am explaining. Okay, but these are all only for educational purpose, not for intraday. Please guys, don't do intraday and trading. Okay, in future and options or whatever. So only equity cash, it should be, you have to do equity cash. All stocks are preferred to only short term. Okay, thank you guys. Please like my video and share my to your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel, and you will get, press the bell button also, you will get a notification when I upload the new videos. Thank you very much. Bye.